So here is Cellnergy Wellness, and let me teach you how to use this device. So you have your plug. You are going to put that in a socket, and once you do that, you will see that the light will turn on, and we have 3 settings over here, and they are numbered from 0 to 1, 2, 3. So when we are 0, that's of course the power is off. So that first setting is going to be for the face, because you do need a high speed, but you don't want too much heat for your face. So it's a low setting. The second setting is low speed and high heat, and that is going to be for maybe the rib cage, the spinal cord, structures which are more sort of strong, solid, bony with a lot of density. You need more heat over there. And our third setting on this device is high heat, high speed, and that can be for any targeted area in your body. And it could be maybe a site where you have a scar and you want to make sure that the scar diminishes. It could be a painful joint, something on your elbow, like some kind of injury or some kind of pain in your knee joint, and it can be used for that. So before we start our process, we always recommend that you drink a glass of water. And that's very important. We want to keep you hydrated. And they say that healing is achieved in a more beneficial way when the body is hydrated. So drink a glass of water, and then you choose your speed, whichever speed you like, and you're going to hold the device about 8 to 12 inches away from your target area, which you're trying to actually, bring healing to. And it can be 20 to 30 centimeters, and like I said, 8 to 12 inches. And you hold the device in your right hand, and you are going to start moving it back and forth, up and down. It could be up and down, or back and forth, back and forth. And you can also gently move and rotate it in a circular fashion. So you have these 3 movements: the circular movement, the up and down, and also the back and forth. And you will do this for about 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, and it's 10 minutes for each area that you are trying to heal or trying to use this device on. And after the 10 minutes are over, you will switch it off. You will bring it back to 0, and then you will obviously take out the plug from the socket. And then we recommend that you have another glass of water. So I hope this video was useful in teaching you how to use Cellnergy Wellness by Life Farm.